Hi everyone, welcome back to Finance with Successful Success. In today's video, we're going to take a full dive into the Bamboo investment app. I'll be showing you how to download the app, how to register, and then we'll walk through the interface step by step. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where everything is and how to use it confidently. Let's get right into it. Step 1, get the app. First things first, let's download the app. Open the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone or the Apple App Store if you're on iOS. In the search bar, type Bamboo Invest, Trade, Earn. Once you see it, tap Install and allow it to download. Step 2, open the app and start the sign-up process. Once the app is installed, open the Bamboo app. You'll see a button that says Start Building Wealth or Get Started. Tap on it. Enter your full name, email address, and phone number, then create a password. Make sure you use details that belong to you because they'll be verified later. Step 3, verify your email. After signing up, Bamboo will send a confirmation link to the email address you provided. Open your email and tap on the link to verify your account. Once that's done, you can continue. Step 4, complete your KYC. This means Know Your Customer, identity verification, also known as KYC. Here you'll be required to provide your BVN, upload a valid government-issued ID, such as international passport, national ID, driver's license. You may also take or upload a selfie to confirm your identity. This step is very important because it allows you to invest without restrictions. Step 5, link your bank account. After completing your KYC, follow the prompts to link your bank account. This can be done via Plaid or through a direct transfer method. This is the account you'll use to fund your wallet and withdraw your money. Step 6, fund your wallet, optional but recommended. To start investing, you can fund your wallet using bank transfer, debit card, payment gateways like Flutterwave or Paystack. Once your wallet is funded, you can begin buying US stocks or Nigerian stocks. And that's it. Your account is ready, and you can start investing in just a few minutes. If you encounter any issues, Bamboo's support email is support@investbamboo.com. Walking through the Bamboo app interface. Now let me show you how the app looks and works. Logging in. This is the Bamboo app icon. When you click on it, you'll be taken to the login page where you can either enter your PIN or use biometric login. For this video, I'll be using my fingerprint by simply touching the fingerprint sensor. Profile section. Once logged in, you're taken to the home page. At the top right corner, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it, and your name will appear boldly at the top. On this page, you'll find options such as invite your friends to invest on Bamboo, write a review. Next is your KYC status. When you click on it, you'll see a message that says you're all done. Your details have been submitted successfully, and you're all set to start investing. Below that, you'll see confirmations for identity verification, bank account details, investment profile, affiliation, NGX brokerage account, deposit. Everything should show as ready. Just click OK, thanks, and it takes you back. Saved cards and trade documents. Scrolling down, you'll see saved cards. Below that is trade and documents, which includes extended hours trading. You can enable this if you want or leave it off. Account statement, useful for loan applications or other financial transactions. Tax documents if applicable. Trade confirmations, account settings. Next is the account section. Here you'll find account details like phone number, full name, email address, home address, account IDs including US stock IDs, Nigerian stock IDs, CSCS number, Nigerian CHN number, beneficiary or next of kin details. You'll also see notifications and alerts, option to manage your transaction PIN, privacy, security, and display. Further down, you'll find Bamboo's privacy policy, agreements, and disclosures. Under security, you have hide portfolio option, PIN code settings, fingerprint or Face ID login, and finally, the option to turn dark mode on or off. Exploring the tabs on the app. Now let's look at the main tabs. Home tab. On the Home tab, you'll see your profile picture at the top left, notification bell at the top right, buttons to add money and withdraw money, your referral section, option to have your cash invested by expert investment advisors, your portfolios, depending on what you've invested in. And below that, a clear view of your USD wallet and Naira wallet balances, Invest tab. Next is the Invest tab. This section is based on your risk profile. In this example, this is a medium risk asset mix made up of US stocks, Nigerian government treasury bills, Naira savings account, fixed return USD investments, managed portfolios where professionals manage your funds for you. Learn tab. The next tab is the Learn section. This is where you can learn all about investments directly within the Bamboo app. Help tab. And the final tab is the Help section. This is where you can get support and assistance whenever. With all of these explained, I believe we're now fully set for investing on the Bamboo app. If you found this video useful, please subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more insights like this. And remember, this video is not financial advice. It is strictly for educational purposes only. Thank you for watching, and stay blessed.